What does limited warranty mean on an iPhone device? So if I click on settings here on my iPhone and then go to general and then about, we can see that my phone is registered under limited warranty. Now, what exactly does this mean and what is covered underneath limited warranty? Well, let's take a look. So here is the Apple 1-year limited warranty on the internet. Now there's a lot of text here, but that doesn't matter. We're just going to look at a couple sentences. So here is a section that says what is covered by this warranty. And this sentence here basically describes what it protects against. So this warranty protects against defects in materials and workmanship when used normally in accordance with Apple's published guidelines. So what this means is if your phone just randomly stops working for no fault of your own, you've not dropped it, you've not got the phone wet, you've not done anything strange to the phone, then it may be covered if it just randomly stops working. So you can try and get that fixed by contacting Apple. But if you've done any of the following things to the phone, if it's cosmetic damage, it's not covered. If the battery's gotten worse over time, it's not covered. The battery has to completely fail. Damage caused by accident, not covered. Damage caused by abuse, misuse, fire. If the phone gets wet, if there's an earthquake and your phone breaks, that is not covered. So basically, what this is trying to say is if anything happens at all to your phone by either yourself, the environment, or anything else, then it's not covered. That doesn't count. But if it's a factory flaw that causes your camera to stop working, your battery doesn't work and your phone refuses to turn on, and you've done nothing to the phone to make it stop working, then it may be covered. So the main question to ask is, have you done anything to the phone to make it stop working? If you have, then it's not covered in the warranty, but if it just randomly broke because of a factory error, then it may be covered and it's worth pursuing to see if Apple will cover the damage. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also subscribe to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.